Tiger Woods' lawsuit with ex-wife Erica Herman just took a turn for the worse. Woods seems to be attracting controversy pretty much everywhere he goes, and it looks like some of his past actions are coming to haunt him. The PGA star is trying his best to keep his ex from breaking their NDA. So what's the latest drama involving Woods and Herman? Recently, Tiger Woods filed a motion to get Herman's lawsuit dismissed. Woods is hoping that the court will simply throw out the lawsuit without anyone getting to hear his ex-girlfriend Erica Herman's story. And all this is coming on top of the golfer's accident and drug problems. Also, let's not forget the infamous affairs and cheating allegations. Now, from what we know, Erica Herman signed the non-disclosure agreement willingly. And that's exactly what the former number one's legal team is basing their entire case on. The agreement also stated that if any disagreements arose between the couple, they'd be solving it privately, which is not the case right now. The filing made by Woods' team clarified that this wasn't what the couple agreed on, but that's not all. The golfer's lawyers maintained that Erica was bound by the arbitration provisions, and this countersuit Woods filed against her is just him practicing his rights. Now, all this sounds pretty simple, but here's the thing. In most cases, when a partner asks out of an NDA, it's mostly due to sexual harassment and assault. Seems like we might be heading towards another celebrity trial. That is, of course, if the golfer's team is unsuccessful in getting Erica's lawsuit dismissed. Let's hear it from Erica herself. So the couple was together for around 5 years. They met at Woods' restaurant, the Woods Jupiter. Herman was also the restaurant manager, and they began dating shortly after. But not everything was sweet and rosy. You see, in recent comments, Erica alleged that she was forced to sign the contract. If you're wondering why she didn't just say no, well, they blackmailed her, so she had to sign the agreement or lose her job. She also revealed that Tiger was initially seeking a sexual relationship. That made everything 10 times shadier, especially with the golfer's previous history in mind. This isn't where her lawsuits against her famous beau end. Turns out she had first filed a suit against a trust for Woods' residence in October 2022. According to Erica, she was forced to leave the couple's residence. If any of you are wondering, yes, it was Tiger Woods' house, so technically he had the right to ask her to leave. But clearly, the golfer never asked. And apparently, the two of them had an oral agreement. The golfer didn't have much of a problem with his ex-partner staying at the house for another 5 years. What's more, Woods' lawyers weren't above being sneaky when it came to this surprise evacuation. You see, originally, Erica was asked to pack a weekend bag. Why, you might be wondering? Well, the poor woman was under the impression that she was going away to the Bahamas. But turns out that wasn't the case at all. At the airport, she was given the news that she wouldn't be allowed on the property again, and she wouldn't be seeing Tiger Woods again as well. Seeing everything that he put her through, she dodged a bullet. But still, locking her out of the property was super childish and not a good move. So, this brings us to the latest twist in the relationship between Erica Herman and Tiger Woods. In a suit filed in March 2023, Herman included some accusations of sexual assault and harassment. However, there were no specific instances mentioned in this filing. As far as the law states, such allegations can often be used to void a non-disclosure agreement. Do you think the agreement will be nullified? Whatever the conclusion is, everyone's super curious about the secrets this agreement holds. This filing also said the landlord made the availability of her housing conditional on her having a sexual relationship with a co-tenant. This is sexual harassment under the federal and Florida fair housing laws. But Tiger Woods isn't going to back down so easily. Instead of settling or even letting Erica stay in the house till she figures things out, his team decided to go ahead with the proceedings. In their recent filing, they released some emails between Erica and Woods' chief financial officer, and guess what? Their version of the story doesn't match Erica's. These emails allegedly include the two parties discussing the NDA. In this conversation, she was told that her employment by the Woods Jupiter and personal relationship with Tiger Woods were two separate items at the time of signing. Herman didn't think much about how all of this was going to affect her in the future. Besides, at the time, she knew she wasn't going to go and say something in public that would hurt the golfer or the kids. But things got a bit too complicated when she was kicked out of the property. In the opinion of Tiger Woods' legal team, despite everything, Erica doesn't stand a chance of getting the NDA nullified. Apart from this lawsuit, Woods has a lot on his plate. You see, his future in the PGA is sort of hanging by a thread, And it's not because of a possible sexual harassment case coming his way. The golfer just went through knee surgery. It hasn't been a long time since Woods returned to the course and played in a major event. Now, it seems like he's going to have to wait even longer. That is, if he comes out of this lawsuit with his reputation intact. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you can see our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.